Welcome to Manda's Kitchen. Always yummy and delicious recipes. Today we are going to show you how to make healthy and delicious oats laddu. So let's get started. To make oats laddu, we need old-fashioned oats. We are going to take 1.5 glass of oats, old-fashioned oats, and we are going to take jaggery. If those who don't have jaggery, they can take even the brown sugar. And 1 cup, more than 1 cup, I took coconut, desiccated coconut, sliced cashews. This is coconut flour, which I'm going to, after rolling the laddus, I'm going to roll them in that. Some cardamom powder and some raisins. And we need some ghee. Now let's get started. First I have taken the pan on the stove. So now I am going to roast the oats. And it should be in medium flame. We should not burn them. So we are going to roast these oats. Now look, it is done. So the oats have been nicely roasted. So now I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to take into a separate bowl and I'll let it cool it. After it's completely cooled, and then I'm going to make into coarse powder. I'm not going to make fine powder. I'm only just going to make it a coarse powder. In meantime, the oats are getting cooled. I'm going to roast the little bit of clarified butter, or you can say the ghee. I'm going to roast the cashews. These are already roasted, but I want to roast for some time in the ghee. When we roast the cashews in the ghee, it gives nice flavor. The ghee with the laddus will be very tasty. Now they are nicely done. So I'm going to take into a separate plate. Now in the same pan, and the ghee is also left over, I'm going to fry this raisins. So the raisins, see how they become big. So once they are done, I'm going to take it off. So they are almost done. So let me take into a separate plate. Now I'm going to take these oats and put it in the blender and make into coarse powder. I made into the coarse powder. I've kept the pan on the stove and it is ready. I'm going to add desiccated coconut and jaggery. And I'm going to add little bit of water, maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. And we have to cook this and make it into a thick consistency till it melts. The whole jaggery should melt. Now look at the whole jaggery has been melted. It dissolved completely. Now we can add the cardamom powder into it. Now we'll add cashews and raisins. Now we'll add the powdered oats. Make sure you add little by little and keep stirring. And let's add a teaspoon of ghee, not too much. Let's cook for a few more minutes and then we'll turn off the stove and we'll make into laddus. Just for a few more minutes, maybe 2 minutes, so that it's completely cooked. Now this is completely cooked. I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to roll it into laddus. But I'll give just few minutes just so that I won't burn my hand. Now I'm going to grease my hands with the butter and then I'm going to roll the laddus. I have to make sure that I do it when they are hot. Look at the laddus, they are ready. So now what I'm going to do is, I have the coconut flour. I'm going to put them on that. So do you see it? So this is how I make the remaining laddus. So when you are making the laddus, it's optional that if you want, you can use the coconut flour and roll it in that, or if you don't want, you can just leave it like that. So I like to roll it in the coconut flour so it looks nice. Look at this, without the coconut flour. So if you want, you can have like this, or you can put it in the coconut flour like this and then you can keep it. It looks nice, you know. So just roll it in the coconut flour and put it aside. So this is how you make the remaining laddus. So don't you think they are very easy and healthy? Because what we have is oats, which are very healthy, and the jaggery, that is the brown sugar, it's also better than the refined sugar. We have cashews, the nuts, raisins, and coconut, desiccated coconut. So everything is healthy. You know, little bit of sugar, that is what sweet you have, but other than that, it's very healthy. I want you all to try this. Do you see how healthy and delicious they are looking? And it is also very easy to make it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching our videos.